Okay, this is Mark again with Specialty Maintenance Products, and I want to explain what all comes in a valve out kit. There's three different ways that the valve out tool can come. There's a VOC1 kit, which has 3/4, 7/8, and 1-inch bolt hole pins. There's a VOC2 kit that has 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8 bolt hole pins. In the kit, you get 11.5 inches of spacer bar per side, so there's 2 sets of these. You have 4 spreading plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can attack the flanges from both sides. And the VOC 1-2 kit has everything combined. The VOC 2 pins adhere differently than the VOC 1 pins. The VOC 1 pins, you tighten down a set screw. With the VOC 2 pins, the pin's going to slide through. There's a nut that you screw onto the opposite side. And just snug it up by hand, and you're ready to go.